You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise, and if you look at this very area on the chart, market is still sitting at 25.8k, and I am still looking at the market moving to the downside on the 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart right here, you see the market come back down a little bit. I talk about the market coming back down right at this very area before a little move to the upside, then finally market will come back to the downside. I am still expecting that and more on the 1-day charts, ETH, ADA, and Matic right here. All of this and more into this analysis. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all the educational contents. And if you come back right here to the 1-day chart, if you look at this very area, market have been on this very area of consolidation for about 4 days today, and I am still expecting the market to come back to the downside. That means even though you see a little bit of move to the upside, please don't buy the market, don't long the market, look for short opportunities. And this month of September, Fed is going to release a new fund rate, and I am expecting Fed to hike interest rate by 0.25 basis points. That means market is going to come back to the downside. So what I do when Fed hike or reduce interest rates is to look at the condition of the market technically, and then I will now apply my fundamentals. So prior to what Fed is going to do next week or upper week, I am also going to check what technical is also saying. But notwithstanding, market is still going to move down into this very area of support. I am expecting market to come back down to 21 and 20k dollars, and that is my own expectation. That is my directional bias. I don't know for you right now, but I am still expecting the market to come back right down. And right now on the 1-day chart, expect a consolidation around this area, or market is going to go up a little bit and then come back down. That means even though you see a little bit of move to the upside, please, market is going to still move to the downside. And one important thing we need to pay attention to is this very area of support, because market has been on this area of support for a very long time. And what that also means is if the market breaks out, it will go down aggressively, because market have stayed at this very level for a very long time. It means that there is a strong buy pressure around this area, and once those buy pressure get fade out, then the market is going to break through this very support and then begin to move back to the downside. So what you should be expecting right now is a breakout on this very level of support to the downside, or you see the market move a little bit to the upside and then continuation back down. So pay attention to shorting the market and not longing the market at the moment. And market is going to move to the downside on the 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart right here, very important on the short term, I told you the market is going to go down a little bit, come up, and then move back to the downside. What I am expecting right now on the immediate short term 4-hour chart is the market to move up a little bit, this very area of important resistance, and where we see the market at this very point is a very important level to pay attention to. So from this area of 26,400 and this very area of 26, market is going to move into this area and then come back down. Okay, that is what I am expecting. Don't short the market, because this is just a short move into this area before the market will eventually come back to the downside. That means you need to pay attention to short opportunities. Don't buy the markets, even though market begin to move into this area, is going to come back down again for the next continuation. Because if you look at this very chart, you discover that the market moved down and then retracement. So market have to retrace after a big impulse to the downside. Market will retrace before its movement to the downside, and that is what I am expecting to happen on the chart. Market should retrace significantly into this area, and then it will begin to drop to the downside. And on the 4-hour chart, ETH right here, the same thing. You see market come back down a little bit, it can begin to move upward. That does not mean that you should take a buy position. market moving upward does not mean you should take a buy position. And this very level of resistance right here and this other level of resistance right at this area is an important point you need to put into consideration doing your technicals. So market is going to move a little bit upward and then come back down. The most important part of it is that market is still going to move to the downside. And if you look at this, market move all the way down, so a retracement before continuation. So taking a short position will be a nice idea than buying. So if you buy or long the market, then you will be at risk of losing your capital or losing your phone or losing your stake. So what you need to do is to look for short opportunity on ETH for our chart and also on ADA. In my immediate last video right here on the channel, I told you about ADA consolidating or moving a little bit upward in form of a retracement before continuation back to the downside, and that is what we see right here. Market consolidate all this while, and right now it seems the market is going to move up. What you have to do right now is to wait. Market move up is not going to move that very far, so this very level of support is an important level to pay attention to, and this other line of support right here is another level to pay attention to. So this area of support right here is resistance right at this very point, and also resistance at this very area. That means market is going to come back down. So pay attention to market moving into this area and then come back to the downside. So a short position from this area will be a nice idea. And also, if the market continue its consolidation within this very line of support, then a breakout of this very area is very, very important. So market breakout of this level of support right here and then begin to move to the downside mean that the consolidation have come to an end and that market is going to move downward. So it will be also wise for you to take a short position after a breakout with a significant bearish candle around this area that close below every other close around this very region. So that is what you need to pay attention to on ADA. And finally on Matic right here, Matic is moving to the upside currently, but after then you see the market move down, so markets have to relax before continuation. So markets come back right down, we have retracement coming to the market before continuation back to the downside, and that is what we are seeing right now. So pay attention to this very level of resistance right at this very point and this very level of resistance right at this very area as well. So resistance here was support at this very area and support at this very point. That means market have capacity of moving into this area of resistance and then come back to the downside in form of a continuation of this very move to the downside. This is what you need to pay attention to right now. So market is going to move into this area on Matic, and then taking a short position will be a nice thing to do instead of buying, because you see this bullish candle moving to the upside. Bullish candle moving to the upside does not signify buying. You have to understand the structure of the market before actually taking a buy or short position. So the market is going to see move to the downside according to my analysis. What do you think is going to happen in the market on BTC? Do you think this market is going to move up a little bit, like the market is going to move a little bit upward and then come back to the downside, or the market is going to begin to move straight upward, which is not what I am expecting? Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Don't forget to check the channel for other educational content, and if you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, check the description of this video. You see a contact and reach out to me immediately and enroll for the trading course. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.